Welcome to Global Fit Focus, your go-to channel for fitness, health, and longevity tips. Title, High CTR, 10 Silent Habits Destroying Your Body After 30, Most People Ignore. Number 4. Video description, Optimized. Your body starts sending warning signs after 30, but most people ignore them until pain, fatigue, and weight gain appear. In this video, you will discover 10 silent daily habits that slowly destroy your strength, energy, posture, and metabolism, and simple fixes you can start today. Watch till the end to protect your body and future. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, Proverbs 3:5. Bell. Subscribe for weekly fitness, health, and longevity content. Coachable Healthy Aging Global Fit Focus. If you're over 30 and still doing these daily habits, your body is aging faster than it should. And most people don't realize it until pain starts. Intro. Welcome to Global Fit Focus. After 30, your body no longer recovers the way it used to. Small daily habits begin to compound silently, damaging your joints, muscles, posture, hormones, and energy levels. Today, I'll show you 10 silent habits destroying your body after 30 and how to fix them effectively. 1. Sitting too long. Sitting for hours weakens your glutes, core, and hip flexors. Over time, this leads to lower back pain, poor posture, and even slower metabolism. Fix. Stand up every 30 to 45 minutes. Walk around your home or office. Try desk stretches or short bodyweight exercises. Even 5 minutes of movement can reset your body. 2. Skipping strength training. Cardio alone won't preserve your body after 30. Muscle mass declines naturally with age, which slows metabolism and increases fat storage. Fix. Strength train at least 3 times a week. Focus on compound movements like squats, push-ups, and rows. Even resistance bands or bodyweight workouts work wonders. 3. Poor sleep routine. Staying up late affects hormones, recovery, and mental clarity. Chronic poor sleep can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and low immunity. Fix. Sleep before midnight. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Remove screens 1 hour before bed and consider a calming bedtime routine. 4. Chronic dehydration. Even mild dehydration affects joints, muscles, digestion, and brain function. Fatigue and slow recovery are common signs. Fix. Drink water throughout the day, not only when thirsty. Include herbal teas and water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. 5. Eating late at night. Late night meals disrupt digestion and insulin regulation, making fat loss harder and causing poor sleep. Fix. Finish your last major meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you need a snack, choose protein or light options like yogurt, nuts, or fruit. 6. Living in constant stress. Stress increases cortisol, leading to belly fat, low energy, poor sleep, and weakened immunity. Fix. Incorporate daily stress relief, breathing exercises, prayer, meditation, short walks, or hobbies. Recovery matters as much as training. 7. Ignoring mobility and stretching. Tight muscles lead to pain, injuries, and poor posture. After 30, your flexibility naturally declines, making mobility work essential. Fix. Stretch every day. Include dynamic stretches before workouts and static stretches after. Foam rolling and yoga are excellent for joint health. 8. Sugary drinks and processed foods. Liquid sugar spikes insulin and accelerates aging. Processed foods harm metabolism, gut health, and energy. Fix. Drink water and choose whole, minimally processed foods. Track added sugar and replace soft drinks with sparkling water, tea, or infused water. 9. Bad posture, phone neck. Slouching affects the spine, shoulders, and breathing. Chronic poor posture can lead to headaches, tension, and long-term spinal issues. Fix. Sit tall, strengthen your back and core, and limit phone or laptop hunching. Set reminders to correct posture hourly. 10. No rest days. Training every day without proper recovery breaks your body instead of building it. Muscles grow during rest, not during workouts. Fix. Schedule 1-2 full rest days per week. Light activity like walking or gentle stretching is okay, but avoid intense exercise. Your body will thank you. Electric light bulb. Final message. Your body is the only place you have to live. What you do daily matters more than what you do occasionally. Start fixing these habits today, your future self will thank you. Public address loudspeaker. Call to action. If this video helped you, tick. Subscribe to Global Fit Focus for more fitness and health content. Thumbs up. Like this video so more people can see its speech bubble. Comment which habit you're